As they cut down this special tree, they're going to use it for something genius which can't be done with any other wood. Cause this is a palm tree, and due to its unique structure, people in Cambodia found an incredibly important use for it. As once the trunk is split open, they start hollowing out the inside, carving deeper and deeper into its core. And even though the inside is soft, this can still take several hours. But it's still worth it since people have done this for over 1,000 years simply because it works so well. But once they're left with just the outer shell, they scrape off the bark until it's completely smooth to make it lighter. And to make it strong enough to last for years, they burn the inside just enough to harden the walls, allowing them to travel on water, all from a single trunk.